So this is how you can make your Steam download games faster. Before we start, go ahead and close Steam and then simply open it back up. This will make sure that we are on a fresh start and nothing is going to lag us or anything. Now, simply tap on the Steam button at the top left corner of the screen and then tap on settings right under that. And now you're going to want to go down to downloads. And as you can see, there are many buttons in the Downloads tab. So, as you can see here at the top, you're going to want to make sure that this button is switched off because this is the limit download speed button. Obviously, from the name, it's going to limit the speed at which your download is going. So, you're going to want to turn this off. And now, the most important button, clear download cache. Clearing the download cache might resolve issues downloading or starting apps. So, you're going to want to tap on this and it's going to say this will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam again. Do you wish to continue? And then simply tap on confirm. And there we go. I have now cleared Steam's cache and it should be way easier to download now that I've cleared everything. And then it will go ahead and launch back up. And now you can log back in and try downloading. So that's pretty much it. You're good to go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.